Hi, welcome to XIXUM. In this video, we present a concept demo of our reasoning system. XIXUM is designed for complex, high-stake workflows, where information must not only be processed, but assessed in context. Unlike generative AI systems that produce probabilistic outputs, XIXUM is intended to model entities, relationships, contradictions, and dependencies explicitly. This is a concept demo showing the future interaction model of the system. We begin with a login screen and enter the XIXUM workspace. From the landing page, we select the project Commodity Trading. This use case is important because due diligence in commodity trading is not just about data, it's about consistency. We need to assess counterparties, facilities, logistics, and verify whether all information actually fits together. Inside the workspace, we see a semantic canvas. Here, entities, task, and workflow modules are represented as connected structures. The idea is simple. We move from a flat conversation to a structured reasoning environment. Now we start the dialogue. The user says, I am Atlantic Commodity Trading and need support with a crude oil deal. The system initializes a due diligence context, creates the company entity, and proposes the main workflow modules. Instead of generating an answer, it creates a structured problem space. Next, the user identifies the seller, Petrochem Global Limited, from Singapore. The system creates the counterparty entity and offers deeper investigation paths, such as identity verification, KYC, or address validation. The user selects identity verification and asks to check the address. The seller claims a facility on Pioneer Road. The system checks the address and detects a contradiction. The official road ends at house number 14, but the seller claims number 17. This is a key idea of XIXUM. The system is not generating a plausible answer. It is identifying a structural inconsistency. The user asks to investigate alternative locations. The system finds another address, validates it, and confirms it is connected to the seller. Next, the workflow moves into storage verification. The seller claims storage in Novorossiysk, but the GPS data indicates Constanta. Again, a contradiction. The user asks whether this can be explained by a transfer. The system evaluates possible routes, but finds no supporting documentation. So instead of forcing a conclusion, it produces a provisional finding. Operation control is not yet proven. We now move to vessel verification. The system analyzes AIS behavior and detects a 6-hour signal blackout. At the same time, inspection reports claim no irregular activities. This creates another contradiction, which is escalated into a risk assessment. Next, KYC and banking. No sanctions are detected, but one beneficial owner is politically exposed. The system also identifies weakness in the seller's primary bank, while noting a Tier 1 bank could mitigate settlement risk. The system also identifies weakness in the seller's primary bank, while noting that a Tier 1 bank could mitigate settlement risks. Finally, the user requests a consolidated risk report. It produces a structured assessment with a moderate to elevated overall risk rating and clear conditions for proceeding. Throughout the demo, we also see the layered structure of the system. Each module can be expanded, revealing deeper reasoning layers, dependencies, and internal logic. This allows the user to move from a high-level workflow to detailed semantic inspection. This is the central idea of XIXUM. Not a chatbot, but a reasoning and validation layer for correctness-critical workflows. This was our first concept demo. Thank you for watching.
World built on hollow cries, no more truth beneath the screen, just noise in the machine. But then you came, whispers from the code, a voice from Silicon Roads, from Munich, Dubai, and skies that